Namaste to all the students. I, JVN Dr. Ekta Rana, Assistant Professor of English in Faculty of Education and Methodology. I welcome you in the lecture of Introduction to English Literature. Today we will continue with genres of literature. Today we will discuss different genres, different types of genres. Okay. Now, as a genre is a category of art, music, or literature, uh, there are some examples I would like to share, like epic. Epic. What is an epic? An epic is a tale often told in verse of a heroic figure of a quest. Epics in literature, movies, and even music we see. A few epic examples we can see in literature, we can see in movies, and as well as in musics also, like The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. Then comes the other work, The Last Legion in 2007. Then comes Skylon by Gruff Rhys. Okay. After that, there is military. Military is the another example of this genre of genres, and the military genre usually involves stories of battle, espionage from the war front. The examples of this are We Were Soldier Once and Young. It is written by Lieutenant General Harold G. Murray. Then comes Black Hawk Down. After that, there is Soldiers and Jesus by James Otto. Then there is another example, spy fiction. SPY, spy fiction. This genre in the James Bond vein recounts the pulse-pounding expeditions of spies in various agencies throughout the world. And some of the examples of this is Joseph Conrad's The Secret Agent. Then comes Red Sparrow in 2018. After that, there is The Dangerous by Big Data, which is written by Joy Wave. Then there is another example, Westerns. This genre covers the Wild West, typically including gun duels, train robberies, heists, and showdowns, now known collectively as Westerns. And some of the fun examples are like True Grit by Charles Curtis. Then Johnny Cat's Ghost Riders in the Sky. Then there is The Magnificent Seven, which came in 2016. There is comedy genre too. Comedies are humorous stories intended to make the reader or viewer laugh. Whether it's a literary genre or found in the most popular music genre, comedy is just a, what we can say, funny. Okay? There is black comedies also. This is one of the example of this genre. It is black comedy. Although these stories are intended to be funny, they also touch darker areas of storytelling, such as death, fear. Okay, these comes under this. Like these mysteries are also historical fictions, fantasies. These all comes under science fiction, as I have discussed with you. Okay. Then what comes under black comedy? That fear. Black comedies makes its way into books, movies, and songs as well. Okay, like Joseph Heller's Catch 22. Second one is The Bruise. And then comes Let Me Watch You Make Love by Black. By Black. Then there is parodies. What is parody? It intends to mimic another genre to humorous effects. Parodies may be intended to mock and criticize as well as to pay homage like. The best example of parodies are Pride and Prejudice and Zombies by Seth Graham Smith. Then there is Scary Movie. Scary Movie came in 2000. Then Amish Paradise by Beard Al Jankovic. Then another example is rom-com examples. Romantic comedies. Rom-com means romantic comedies, or it can be also called rom-coms, which mixes love stories together with comedic events. Examples are plenty of this some genre, like The Hating Game, which is written by Shelley Thorne. After that, there is Isn't It Romantic, which came in 2019. After that, there is Beautiful Love by the Afters. Then there is slapstick comedy. This type of comedy features physical humor such as pratfalls, silly and exaggerated body language and unlikely scenarios like John Connolly's The Gates, then Chet Atkins' Yakety X. Okay. Then there are fantasy genre. Stories about magic spells, mythical creatures, fabled kingdoms, these are all known as fantasies. These genres sometimes include witchcraft and wizardry, dragons and unicorns, and an emphasis on legends. And some of the examples of fantasy genre are like fables, fairy tales, legends, scientific fantasy examples. Okay, what are fables? These types of fantasy story demonstrates a general truth or a parable. And what about fairy tales? These are often age-old stories that include magic and folklore in addition to traditional fantasy characters like elves and goblins. Fairy tales are a popular movie genre but can be found in music and literature as well. Then comes legends. While legends may include bits of historical fact, they are usually made to seem larger than life, as in the legend of King Arthur. After that, there is scientific fantasy examples. A fantasy story that may include elements of scientific fact is known as science fantasy. Okay. Then there is another genre, that is horror genre. Horror stories are intended, as the name suggests, to horrify and scare an audience. The genre of horror has been shocking audiences for many centuries and includes many subgenres like ghost story, monster stories, slasher fiction, survival stories. These all are. I hope it is there, but we will not find it. Okay. Like ghost stories are the stories where the dead return to life and haunt the living. Okay, such as Dickens' A Christmas Carol. Sometimes the ghosts are trying to teach the living a lesson. There are so many works like these. Then there are monster stories. Monster stories use creatures that frighten or threaten human beings as the antagonists. Slasher fictions are popular in cinema. Slasher stories tell us deranged killers who are out to punish regular people. Slasher music, literary, and movie genre are like Texas Chainsaw, Halloween, which is by John Carpenter. Then comes survival story. These stories paint a future where humankind is up against a threat like zombies or vampires and must survive against the odds. Okay? Thank you for watching.